Welcome. If you want to change a lock screen wallpaper in your DOOGEE S80, at first you have to go for the settings. Right now find display, click on the wallpaper, and you have to pick wallpapers. Like we got 3 options, so we can go for the wallpapers, the default from our device, Google Photos, and you are able to set up your favorite picture or go for the live wallpapers. I'm going for the last option. Right now we can pick wallpaper that you want to apply. So for example, I'm going for this one. Click to set wallpaper and tap on the lock screen. Right now when I'm going to lock device, as you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.